Hey, have you checked this delivery service? Dorm Delivery.
No, how does it work?
Well, it's pretty cool. It's called dormdelivery.ca. First you go to their website, they have a link to all major grocery stores around York University. Then let's say you click on Canadian Superstore. You can see all grocery stores' products and prices. Then you send them your list to Dorm Delivery and they go buy it for you, and deliver it to your place.
Really, that sounds really cool. How much do they charge?
They charge $8 flat rate. That's pretty cheap, compared to other delivery services. Besides, these people live on campus, so they are very friendly.
How do you contact them?
You can call them, their number is 416-400-4699. You can call them or even text them, or you can email them at email.dormdelivery@gmail.com.
Really? That's really cool.
That's amazing. I've tried them and they are good. Fast, affordable and friendly. No problem. I love their service and I use it often.
Thanks for letting me know. Sounds good, thanks.